This right here is an Eee PC, and today what I'm going to be trying to do with it is run a Minecraft server on it. And that may seem impossible because of how low the specifications are, but I mean, look, it's running Nyan Cat just fine for over 264,000 seconds, so I'm sure it'll be perfectly fine. You know, I did actually make a video on this thing near the end of 2024, and then I kind of abandoned this channel, but we're back. But anyway, this is what we're working with here. We have Ubuntu server that I put on it, and the display is actually 600p, not even 720p. This is the star of the show right here, an Intel Atom N435 with 2 threads, 1 core, 2 thread, I think, at 1.33 gigahertz. Now, I really just want to put into perspective how bad this CPU really is. This is an i5-10400, a CPU released in 2020 that was kind of mid of the line, you know, it's just okay. And it's 6,000% better. Now, the CPU that I use in my PC is the i9-12900K. It's a little bit outdated now, but it still does the job. It's pretty decent. And it's 21,000% better. So that just puts into perspective how, you know, not good this thing is. It's actually very ridiculously underpowered with 6 watts maximum. If this thing can run a Minecraft server even decently, I'd be really surprised. And we also have a whopping 2 gigabytes of RAM showing up as 1.6. And we also have swap disabled because the disk size is actually, I think, 8 gigabytes, but formatted it's only 6. So we have basically 6 gigabytes of storage available to us. Now, to actually get the Wi-Fi drivers on this thing, it doesn't have Ethernet. I didn't have an adapter. So to get the Wi-Fi drivers on this thing, it actually took me a while because I had to put all the dependencies and the Wi-Fi driver on a USB stick and then manually install them. And that took me a bit to figure out how to do with the command line because I'm, you know, not that good with it. So I basically have all the files needed. I have Java installed on here and I have 1.12.2 loaded up here. And this is the server properties file. And I'm thinking the best course of action is probably to set the view distance to 4. So I went ahead and did that. Max players 4. I'm not going to have anyone else on here today. I don't have anyone to test it. And honestly, I think it would be really funny to make this server joinable if anyone actually sees this video. So I should be able to start this in screen. And I think giving it 1 gigabyte is appropriate. No GUI, I guess. Do I even have to add no GUI? I mean, where's the GUI going to even pop up? You know what I mean? Anyway, all right. It looks like the server is starting. Oh, it's just blank. Okay, it appears that it's actually doing something. It's preparing the world. Wow. This is, it's chugging along. It's going. It's definitely going. Well, I'm just going to, chill for a sec while I wait for this to load. Okay, it's done. It took 119 seconds. It's already lagging, even though no one's even there. It's probably generating chunks around, but all right, let's see if this works. We have 9 ping to it. Obviously, it's on my local network, but we're going to join it. I'm actually really curious about the resource usage. Ah, I see. The RAM is okay. I think the RAM isn't going to be the limiting factor here. It's actually going to be the CPU. Because 2 gigabytes or even 1 is enough for a 1.12 server. Damn, low chunk render distance with shaders runs really good. Okay, well, let's see. Can we break a block? We can actually break a block. What does the resource usage look like now? Still 100. It's looking like it might be playable. Let's see. I mean, I'm breaking the wood. It is working. Okay, I'm really curious about mob movement and stuff like that, but for now I'm just gonna try and play the game. We have a desert here. How's the resource usage looking like? Oh shit, it actually went down. We are not using all of our resources right now. You know, honestly, this is borderline fine. I mean, yeah, I can't see that far, but it is working. I'm sure that generating chunks is probably going to be quite the struggle. It is, but it's keeping up a little bit. It's going, it's going. I'm sure the utilization is, yeah, it's pretty large, but like it is going. You know, the other limitation about hosting a Minecraft server on this thing would definitely be the storage, because again, we only have 6 gigabytes in total. And I think we're already using half of that. If I were to generate a bunch of chunks, obviously the world would, I don't know, we'd run out of storage. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Pretty short video, but it was just a little experiment here. I do want to upload more on this channel, but yeah, I will see you guys in the next one, and peace.